Alright, mula sa train na to, Carla, ito naman alamin natin itong kawaii culture. Alamin natin yan dito lamang sa I Love My Culture.
Sa digital age o panahon ngayon ay marami ng pagbabago sa estilo ng ating pananamit. At pati estilo ng buhok ay animoy nasa ibang planeta ka. Makukulay, may disenyo at may attitude, ika nga. Ang mga formang ganito ay hango sa Japanese anime. Ito ay tinatawag na kawaii o Japanese culture na ibig sabihin ay lovable, cute o adorable. Ito ay tinatawag na kawaii o Japanese culture na ibig sabihin ay lovable, cute at adorable. Ito ay naging prominente sa aspeto ng Japanese popular culture, entertainment, clothing, food, toys, personal appearance, behavior at mannerisms. At isa na rito si Camille Mueco na mahilig sa anime at manga creations na pati pananamit at kilos ay ginagaya niya.
Nung bata pa po ako, napahilig po ako sa anime. So, sa kakapanood ko din po, na-inspire din po ako mag-research tungkol sa culture ng Japan, sa iba-ibang klase ng styles. Tapos, napalapit lang po talaga ako. Hindi ko lang po alam. Natutuwa lang po kapag ganito po ako nagdadamit. Honestly po, when I started, which was in 2011, I was very nervous and awkward about it. Pero eventually po, I grew to like it. I feel that I make sometimes happy because I see little children who want to take pictures with me and then they smile and it makes me feel good. Isa po kasi sa kawaii inspirations ko po kasi yung Japanese pop singer na si Kyary Pamyu Pamyu. Famous po sa kanya yung mga big eyeballs, yung mga Sailor Fuku design po. Kaya po ganito po yung style. Inspired po kay Kyary.
Ang kawaii dito sa Maynila ay nagbibigay laya sa mga kawaii-loving Filipino girls na pag-aralan ang kawaii culture. Paano gumawa ng frilly tutu skirts, decorated envelopes, animal stickers, adorn your own sneakers at iba pang activities ng pagiging cute.
So we would like to promote that something does not have to be popular for it to become positive and for it to become lovable. So we're totally different from the pop genre. So the way we dress, technically, it's based on Japanese fashion po talaga because the Japanese people express themselves through the way they look and through the way they dress. That's what we want to promote also to our Filipino friends and families. So we believe that through dressing up, we can express ourselves and our own creativity.
Ang Japanese word for cuteness o kawaii ay mahabang kasaysayan. Ito ay naging phenomenon noong 1980s. Ito ay nagmula sa isang design style at fashion at naging attitude sa mga kabataan. Ang tawag sa kanila ay shouju. Makikilala mo sila sa pamamagitan ng kanilang pananamit na parang mga manikin at sa kanilang handwriting na may mga bilog na titik at symbol ng stars at hearts.
Para po sa akin, the one thing you should remember is that kawaii is powerful and it can make you happy. It's not just about looking cute, it's about making you and other people happy.
I think that's very important today po lalo na with the youth, to be able to express themselves. Really look at life in a positive way, which is we think is perfect for Filipinos kasi Filipinos are naturally positive po talaga, always smiling, yan, which fits the kawaii culture.